Hi everyone, welcome. So if you're holding crypto on your OKX wallet and want to move it into the OKX Exchange for trading or selling, this quick guide will walk you through the steps. So first, open the OKX app and make sure you're logged in. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the Wallet tab to access your Web3 wallet. After that, browse through your assets and tap the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Then tap Send or Transfer to Exchange, depending on your app version. You will now choose the option that sends your funds from the Web3 wallet to your funding account inside the OKX Exchange. This is typically labeled Transfer to OKX or Transfer to Exchange. Make sure the blockchain network you're using matches the one supported by your Exchange wallets. For example, do not send BEP20 tokens to ERC20, only address. Choose the correct network. Always do that. Finally, tap Confirm to authorize transfer. You might be prompted to approve the transaction with your wallet password or biometrics. Once the transfer is confirmed, wait for a few minutes. Your crypto will appear in your OKX funding account. And that's it. You've just moved crypto from your OKX wallet to the OKX Exchange. Now you're ready to trade, convert, or withdraw. For more crypto tips and walkthroughs, make sure to check out our other guides. Thanks for watching, guys. See you as always in the next video.